I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact Samsung model and Android version so you test against the right specs. Once done, back up critical data and avoid needless resets. Open Settings, go straight to Display, and record current screen resolution, refresh rate, and color mode. These are your baseline numbers. Then dial the service test code *0*# in the phone app. It opens hardware tests that let you verify pixels, colors, and touch response without third-party apps or guesswork. Now you perform the deeper checks using the built-in test menu and settings. Tap the red, green, and blue tests to reveal dead pixels and burn patterns, then run touch and sub-pixel screens to confirm uniform responsiveness. Record any anomalies. Switch motion smoothness between 60Hz and 120Hz to compare motion clarity, because a faulty panel can drop frames or introduce flicker. Also capture screenshots and a quick screen recording to magnify artifacts. This helps. Finally, you isolate causes and complete verification. Boot into safe mode and try another user profile to rule out app-induced display changes. If problems persist, run a reputable third-party display diagnostic or consider a factory reset only after backing up. Make sure to document all findings with photos, screenshots, and timestamps so you can show exact differences. If the fault remains, contact Samsung support or a certified technician. Quick troubleshooting tip: retest in safe mode. If the problem disappears, an app is likely responsible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.